Hello, I'm Abram with Wearwell, and today I'm going to be talking about the 582 24/7 LockSafe Grade A for food production and processing. The Grade A 24/7 LockSafe is made from 100% antimicrobial material. It meets ASTM G21 standards for antimicrobial properties, and it also has a knobbed underside for superior drainage support. Now, where the Grade A 24/7 LockSafe sets itself apart is with its locking system. As you can see, there is a ramp system, and these 3-foot by 3-foot tiles actually have a positive locking system built in to the mat itself. This has been a brief overview of the 582 24/7 LockSafe Grade A system. Now, you can find other systems similar to these at wearwell.com, and you can go to wearwell.com for all your anti-fatigue needs. Thank you.